Hello YouTubers, this is Rubot181 here, and as you could tell, you might not tell, I'm tired as hell. Okay, I went to the shop to buy a bottle of Lucozade so I could just do this video for you guys. It's blurry again. I don't know why it don't focus. As you can see, the Star Wars Angry Bird is in there. As always, it is. Well, it's in there. I'm gonna go for it, but first I've got to move this Minnie Mouse. Someone's been winning by the looks of it. There's a tag stuck there and there's a tag down the bottom. If I don't win, I'll pull you out the tags and then I'll pretend I won. Oh, someone's broken the glass. No, someone broken the glass. There's like little tape down there. Unless that might be mine, I can't remember. Clamps. Let's go. Hold it. Right. Since I don't know who played this machine and all that. Right, can I just drag it out? You can't. I might be able to, guys. Pull out the Angry Bird for you guys. But I'll have to go for the Minnie Mouse again. See if I can move it. I'll move it. That's good. There we go, you guys. I could get the Angry Bird now. Oh, missed it. I've made it really gettable now, the Angry Bird. So hopefully I can win it or pull it out or do something with it. I keep missing. I keep going too far forward. I keep stopping at the wrong time. There we go. Now, don't hit anything. That's too far over. I think it goes left. You know, a couple of machines that just drop left a bit. I think this one does it. Unless it really don't want me to. They don't want me to get the Angry Bird. It seriously don't. Yep. Oh, bad spot. That's what I didn't want, you guys. I didn't want the Winnie the Pooh to fall on top of the Angry Bird. Drops. Deploying claw. Clamps. Let's go. Told you. I sound like a robot. I don't know why. Oh, where am I gonna go now? Go for the Minnie Mouse. Ah, clamp. No. There we go. Right, I moved it again. I'll try not to get you in the thing. Right. Okay. Using my angles, you guys. So I think that Matt taught me. Don't hit the Angry Bird. Don't hit the Angry Bird. Come on, clamp. Oh! It moved it out. The Angry Bird Star Wars is gettable, you guys. The tag is creased like hell. If you go back to one of my first videos, I think it was. If you go back, you guys, to one of my really first videos, you will really see that Angry Bird stuffed in there. Right, I'm going to spend £5 more for you guys if I move this Angry Bird out. There we go. Oh, it's. Right, come on, get the Angry Bird. Get clamp. Oh, no, don't say. Oh, are you kidding me? It put it back in a hole. Right, one more try for the Angry Bird. Nope, that missed it. Clamp the tag, get the tag. Ah, it don't overbite like it used to. It did overbite, it did have an overbite, but now it don't. For some reason. No, Shine, stay, yeah! Oh! No! Evil! Satan! That's just... That... I'm gonna play that back, you guys. Oh my god. No. Oh no. No, don't drop it, don't. I'm speechless, you guys. My face at the moment, you guys, is just like... Oh no, it hits the edge. It's not gettable no more. No, I'm gonna try for the Angry Bird. Again. Since I've moved it out, I've moved it literally out. Not gettable. Nothing's gettable no more. I don't know what to go for now. My last try. And then I'm gonna get some more change, you guys. Nope. Right. So I spent like £5 now. I'm gonna get some change and I'll be right back. And I've just realised I've been singing the whole video.